Oh God. Oh, that hurts so much. Oh God, what are you doing, girl? Hey, you got a pretty. Why are you peeling my skin off? You're peeling my skin off. God. Oh God, please no, stop it. Ow, it really hurts. It really hurts. Oh, look at that. My skin is on your shirt. Oh God, please stop. Stop, it really hurts. It feels like you're peeling off dead skin, but it's not dead. Oh, ow. Ow, it really hurts. Come on, come on. I'll kiss you. I'll hug you. I'll kiss you. Come on, I'll do anything. Just please stop. Oh God! Oh my God! The pain of it all. The pain. Oh God! Oh my God! You ate a part of my skin. Oh! Ow! 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 Oh my God! Oh, you monster! You're a monster! Why would you do that? Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Please no! Stop! No! 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 You killed it. You killed it. Oh my God. Oh my God, you killed it.
Oh, that one's my phone charger.
It was a life. You just took a life.
Just on the floor and not see
Weird person. You're a weird person.
Do we leave tomorrow morning or tonight?